Headquartered in Korea, founded in 1947 and established as a local subsidiary in 2007, CHOKWANG VINA has been a leading paint manufacturer in Vietnam for 75 years, providing the best quality and the service. We have been producing high-value added products that are applied to the IT and new material industries and a variety of manufacturers, including construction, cars, and marine engineering. From imagination to reality, we provide a variety of colors that fit customers' demands to contribute to the development of the global high-tech industry, with eco-friendly technology to open up a prosperous future for all of us. The world that we dream of is a beautiful and prosperous world. We are the one to implement human-centered life innovation. We take a leap toward the world with technology and productivity, an eco-friendly global chemical company that cares for the happiness of the next generation. CHOKWANG VINA.